Good morning. Hello, guys. Hello. Welcome to the vlog. My name is Nisi, and this is Confidence Hub, where we live in life through God's lens. Good morning. Happy Sunday. I figured let me pick up the camera today and start vlogging because I'm like, girl, tell me how your channel says lifestyle, but you never do any lifestyle content. Make it make sense. But anyways, y'all, happy Sunday. I'm going to go for my walk. It's currently like 7:05, 7:07, something like that. It feels like 7:10, so I'm just gonna go with 7:10. But I know it's early, the sun is out, so I'm wearing my hat, I'm wearing sunscreen, of course. Y'all know I'm part of Tiana 8K for this month, so I'm gonna go to Publix to run a few errands. I figured let me just walk to Publix because I can get my exercise in. I do have a busy day today, y'all. What we doing today? I do have 2 packages coming in. I hope they come in. They're supposed to come in. I have a package from Amazon and a package from Sephora. I ordered some lip gloss because I'm all out. So yeah, so we're gonna head to Publix. We're gonna go for a walk. We're gonna do a little unboxing if my packages come in time. And then what else we gonna do? Yeah, and I don't think I'm gonna get it today. But y'all remember the brand I work with, the one that sent me the little chlorophyll shots? The shots were so good. I told y'all that. I bought some. So I ordered some yesterday. I'm supposed to get them today. And then she also reached out to me to send me some. She has some new products that she's putting out in the market. So she hit me up on Instagram and be like, hey, I know we work together. Would you like me to send you some product? Yeah. So anyways, y'all, let's go to Publix. Yeah, I totally forgot. I have dinner plans tonight. My friend's birthday. Y'all know her. The one that be messing up my vlogs. Y'all know her. The one that we went shopping for Paris. So her birthday is tomorrow, Monday, the 27th. So they called me last night like, hey, do you last minute dinner plans? So we're going out to dinner tonight. Also, I'm going to take you guys along. So yeah, let's go for our walk. I'm sorry. Above it all, I just wanna be free. I wanna be free. I wanna be free. I wanna be free. I came here to get some sardines and they're all out. Like, you get what I'm saying? It's like little things like that cause people to crash out. Like, why don't you guys have sardines? Anyways, I'm just gonna end up getting these because they ate all the sardines. Like, I'm so annoyed. Stop eating sardines. They're not good for you. Living for weekends, wishing I could take a break from this world. Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. Crystal, your water's on sale. Crystal, your water's on sale. I guess I'm gonna grab 2 because I walked here. I don't want my bag to be too heavy. Stayed above the ground and make eye contact with clouds. Now I'm rising, I'm soaring. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna carry all this stuff, and I walk here. I don't know. Y'all, I just got out of Publix. Tell me why I end up buying all this stuff, y'all. I was only supposed to buy one thing. I had to return something. So I bought some water. I bought a bunch of stuff. Now I'm walking with a bunch of stuff in my hand, child. The ghetto. We got some flowers. You know, I got to treat my friend like princess. Y'all, the ghetto. Nisi, your skin is so nice. What's the secret? Living in hell? I meant Florida. All you do is sweat and complain here. So, yeah. That's the secret, y'all. If y'all want nice skin, move to the Caribbean, live in Florida, do something, child. I don't know. It's so hot. I'm taking a little break. But yeah, I'm so proud of the flowers that I chose. They're so cute. So let's go. All right, y'all, we're done. This is the little floral situation I put together for her. I'm going to add some water in the vase. So yeah, I think I put a little bit too much baby fresh breath. Y'all, I had a crazy morning. I was cooking. I was cleaning. Child, I'm tired. Hey y'all, hey, it's like 4:35ish. Listen here, I know I'm looking rough, okay? I had a rough morning, y'all. After I worked out, I came back home. My mom requested that I make this Haitian beetroot salad. Y'all, mind you, I never made it before, okay? So listen here, if you believe I could do it, I believe I could do it too. So I made that. It came out pretty good. It's like beetroot, eggs, potatoes, sweet peas, carrots, mayo, seasoned that thing up. It was pretty good. But anyways, y'all, I got some of my packages. I know I told you I ordered this, so I remember last time the brand sent this to me for free, but I ordered my own, so I'm super excited. I ordered a small pack. So yeah, and then the package that she sent me also came. So let me get that for y'all. This is the package she sent. Y'all, this is what she sent me. So thank you so much to Pure Vibe, All About Juicing, for sending this over. This is electrolytes. Y'all know I live in Florida, child. It's hot, so it's hot. So I'm super excited to try this. And it's like lemonade, so I know this is gonna be good. It's 30 servings, so I'm gonna try it out, y'all. And probably when I work out tomorrow, I'm gonna try it. I'll let you guys know what I think about this. So yeah, thank you so much for sending this over. I'm still waiting for one more package from Sephora. My lip gloss, I think it's coming tomorrow. So yeah. All right, y'all. My energy was a little down because it was raining. I don't know, y'all. It was thundering and storming really, really bad. But yeah, I feel kind of like, so I'm gonna take a nice shower because my friend, we're supposed to go to dinner at 8 o'clock. Y'all know my friend don't respect time. Sorry, girl. But so yeah, I'm gonna take a shower, y'all. But I had to tell y'all about this Saltair. Oh my goodness, this scrub right here. It's not sponsored. I don't have a link for y'all, but y'all can check out the website or whatever. This scrub right here. So I'm gonna scrub my body down, baby, with this. So yeah, and get ready. And I think she's supposed to pick me up around 6:30. My friend don't respect time. I've been friends with her since I was 11, 12. Since I was 12 years old. She's not gonna come on time. So I'm gonna be ready by 7 p.m. And then hopefully we get there by 8:30. So when I pick up this camera, I will be ready for dinner. I'll see you guys then. This is the scrub, y'all. Mind you, I just bought this. So that listen here, I can tell you everything you need. I literally just bought it. This scrub right here, baby, I got the vanilla. So if you don't like vanilla, they have other flavors, other scents, but I like vanilla. So yeah, this is so good. When I tell you it gets your skin feeling soft, what I'm talking about, like this thing transform you. Like, I don't know, y'all. I feel like I was somewhere in Tahiti or something. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna buy this again. So good. Hey y'all, I'm ready. Of course, my friend's not here. Listen here. You gotta trust what people do, not what they say, okay? So I didn't expect her to be on time. But anyways, y'all, I'm all greased up, child. I'm wearing the Saltair vanilla nourishing body oil. So girl, I'm glazed up like a donut, baby. And the scent of the day, I have good lighting out here. The scent of the day is the Coco Chanel Mademoiselle Les Preuves. I don't speak French, okay? So yeah, this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing an off-the-shoulder cute dress, nice necklace, and my hair. I was thinking about slapping a wig, and I was like, for what? For what? So I'm rocking my natural hair. I have it in a nice little ponytail. I don't know what this is, y'all. Maybe it's the gel or something. But yep, this is the look. I'm waiting on my friend. And yeah, see you guys at dinner. Bye.
Say, somebody told me Rose is here. Happy birthday, Rose. She just turned 21 today. Happy birthday, Rose. Let's go, Rose. Let's go, Rose. Rose. Happy birthday, Rose.
Thank you.
Say, Rose. Rose. Happy birthday, Rose. Rose. Happy birthday, Rose. Once again, I'll count on three. Can we say happy?
right, y'all. I wanted to close out the vlogs. Obviously, have dark circles. I'm tired. I had a wonderful time last night. The restaurant was amazing. The vibes were amazing. Customer service was amazing. The food was so good. The food was so good and seasoned. It's like a bunch of different foods. So Casa de Amore. If you're ever in like Fort Lauderdale area, Miami, whatever, check out that restaurant. It's so worth it. The prices are a little steep. I ain't gonna lie. Okay. We're looking like 100 per person, so it is a little expensive, but honestly the food was so good. Customer service, the chef came out and said hello to us. It was like, so they have a bunch of different foods like Italian, Caribbean food, like Haitian, Jamaican, like Puerto Rican dishes and different stuff, Hispanic foods and stuff like that. Delicious. The food was good, everything was good. So yeah, they had a live DJ. And then if you have a birthday, you know, y'all saw in the vlog, they turn up. It wasn't a lot of people because it's Sunday night, so it was nice and chill. Not a lot of people because y'all know I don't like all that noise and people walking around me. So I had a wonderful time. Happy birthday to my friend. So yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next vlog. Bye.